it's your girl Candace Lene, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to this channel, please go subscribe and make sure you ring my post notification bell. So in this video, guys, I am going to be showing you how to fix a balding frontal. As you guys can see, this frontal is looking pretty rough. Actually, this wig wasn't worn long, but it ended up start balding because it was overplucked and over bleached. So as you guys can see, I'm going to start off by going in with water just so I can see exactly where the hair is and so I don't end up cutting too much off. So next I'm just combing that back once again so I can see exactly where I need to cut. So this unit was not made by me, but I did have a customer come to me who wanted this to be fixed. So in the end, you'll see that I didn't really do my best with the baby hair and stuff simply because my customer is actually going to be getting it installed. So I didn't want to go in too heavy because, you know, that stylist is probably going to do whatever she wants to anyway. So as you guys can see, next I am going to go in to actually start cutting off what we don't want anymore, the lace that does not have hair on it. I'm trying to not cut too much just because I don't know how the wig fits on the customer, so I don't want to get rid of too much and then the unit not fit anymore. So I'm really just taking off as little as I can so that just so the balding is gone. So I can't get rid of all of it, but just try to get rid of most of it, if y'all know what I'm saying. So as you guys can see, it wasn't that much at all. But now I'm going to go ahead and go in and comb it back again just to make sure it is where I would like it to be. And I see I had a little extra on the top, so I'm going to go in and cut that off. And now I'm going to go ahead and pin my wig onto my canvas head. And then I will begin to try basically to mold it. So I'm going to go in and this is where I start the baby hair process. Oh, I'm sorry. Y'all, this is where I go in and pluck. Okay, so I'm plucking. So my problem with plucking this unit is that, like I said in the beginning, it was over processed already. So with over bleach units, it is hard to pluck because the hair starts coming out a lot easier than it would if it wasn't over processed. So it was pretty difficult for me to pluck this unit, but I did the best that I could. I tried to really stay away from it and then just create baby hair so that I didn't end up balding it more than what it already was. So now I'll go in and I try to figure out how I want to lay this baby hair, if I'm doing side part, middle part, whatever. So basically at this point, now it's back to a regular frontal and you want to treat it as such unless you have problems like me where it was overprocessed or something like that. But usually at this point, you can go in and just treat it like it's a brand new frontal. So I think everything after this is pretty self-explanatory. I did try to lay the baby hair before I actually created the baby hair. Y'all will see me go in and fix that a little later. But I'm going to let you guys go ahead and watch the rest of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you ring my post notification bell. And make sure you tell your mama, your daddy, your cousin them to come join the squad so we can get the party lit over here. Thank you guys. I will see you in my next one.